Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I have bought a new Haylou Solar Plus RT3 model smartwatch, which is a recently released one. So I just wanted to have a quick overview about this product, like how does it work and that and all. So without any further ado, let's roll in. So if you're someone who loves to stay fit and keep a record of your fitness goals, then this smartwatch might be the one you're looking for.
So let's get started with the box. So as you can see, they have mentioned their brand as Haylou and the name of the smartwatch as Solar Plus. But when I was trying to buy this one, they have also mentioned as Solar Plus RT3 as a specified model of this smartwatch's name. But I don't see any RT3 in this box. So however, let's see. And they have mentioned, I think there are some of the main features of the smartwatch right here. And also there is a feature for women's menstrual cycle reminder. So I don't know, so let's have a try. So I have bought this one in silver color, and let's unbox and see how does it look. So let's go. Okay, I think now I have opened the first box. So I think they have also mentioned their brand name in this box. It's barely seen. So let's go ahead and open this one. And I don't know how to open this one at first, so let's figure it out. Okay, I got it. Okay, like this way. Okay, let's now go ahead and open the box, and there you go. As you can see, as they have mentioned in the box, the watch is in silver color as they promised. So I just wanted to see how the quality of these straps are. So let's have a close look of it. And as you can see, they have pasted a small sticker in the watch face. And the quality of the straps are really feels good to the hand. Actually, I think it's made of silicone material and they're really good. And also, as you can see in the back side of the watch, the sensor is right there, and from which the heart rate and other health related features are detected by. And if we take the box, so inside the box we only get the charging cable and the user manuals in the box, so nothing other than that. So as you can see, the charging cable is pretty long, so you can also take it to your office or somewhere to use it without any issues of the long issues or something. So it has a pretty output with a magnetic one. I'll show you in a while in this video how to plug it to your watch. So let's see the other features of the watch. So before, let's just rip out this sticker and see how the screen actually looks like. So yeah, as you can see, the screen is pretty fine looking. I mean, there's no any scratches or anything, and it's really looking clear, crystal clear. So let's just go ahead and set up the watch and see the features actually are inside this one. So first of all, let's turn this watch on. To turn it on, all you have to do is just press and hold the upper button of this watch. So in that way, the watch will get turned on. So it's just easy. And after you're turning on, when you're accessing the watch for the first time, you have to get registered it with the Haylou Fun app. So it's just, you can just free download it, or else you can also scan this QR code with your mobile phone. So in that way it will get automatically downloaded and installed. So before we are proceeding further, I just want a small help from you guys. So since this is my new YouTube channel, I just really do need your support, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, since I will be posting more updated videos in the upcoming days. So you can stay updated, and thank you. So if we take about the display, it has a 1.43 inch AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution, and also they have mentioned as it has 280 mAh of battery power, and you can also use up to 7 days when it gets fully charged. And also it supports with Android 6.0 and above, and for iOS 11.0 and above. Smartwatch has been extremely protected with IP68 water and dust resistant, and its main features are Bluetooth call, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen detection, emotion detection, stress detection, and sleep detection. And also it supports with several languages, for example English, Portuguese, Russian, Polish, Spanish, and etc. So once after you get registered with your mobile application, now you can see the available watch faces in your app itself. So there are only few faces available, but some are really looking good. So it's all free, so you can just freely download it and connect it with your watch. So let's just set up some of the settings in the watch. So go to the menu by pressing upper button of the watch. So in that way it will be taken to the menu. So there are all the features available will be shown in the menu. So from here, tap on the settings icon. So from settings, if you go to the watch faces and time, from here you can change your time format, and also you can change your watch faces from here, which is being installed in your watch.
So if you go to the show option in the settings, from here if you scroll down, as you can see, there is an option called always on display. So which means if you toggle this option on, your watch will be stay always on. So which means even if you are in the outside or going for a hiking or something, your watch will always be showing time and the steps and your battery percentage, and if you also have any notifications. So without even touching or raising your hand, all these information will be shown automatically. So you can also switch between your available watch faces by just holding up the upper switch of the watch switch and rolling it up or down. So in that way you can easily switch between your available watch faces.
So finally, to charge your smartwatch, all you have to do is just plug the given USB cable to any of your available power adapters and take this output to near that 4 pins that available backside of your watch. So it will get automatically pinned with that because it has a pretty awesome magnet. So it will get start charging. So if you are looking to buy this smartwatch, it's currently available in official Haylou's website, and also they do provide worldwide shipping. I'll be drop the link down below in the description so you can have a look. So that's it I wanted to cover in this video, guys. So if you feel like you wanted a detailed review video about this product, please do let me know in the comments, so that will motivate me regarding should I want to make a video or not. And also, if some of you have already used this smartwatch and have experience about it, please do share it in the comments so it will help others too. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till the end. And if you feel this video as useful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Since this is my new YouTube channel, your support means a lot to me, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, guys, I'll be uploading more informative videos in the upcoming days. And see you all in the next video. Until that, peace out.